Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Employment Box. Friends, Electronic Corporation of India, that is ECIL, which is a public sector enterprise under Department of Atomic Energy, has released various vacancies under the post of Scientific Assistant, Junior Artisan and Office Assistant. We'll see one by one everything, like what will be the eligibility, number of posts, everything. The only thing you have to do is stay with us till the end of the video, and in case you like the video, please share it, and if you need such kind of updates in future, please subscribe the channel as well. Now friends, as you can see, the official notification is on our screen. The number of posts for scientific assistant is 24, 86 for junior artisan, and only one for office assistant. So in total 111 vacancies has been released. Contract pay for the same will be 20,802 per month in case of scientific assistant and office assistant, and 18,882 for junior artisan. The upper age limit of the candidate should be 25 years only, not more than that, as on 31st of March 21. In case the candidate is having experience in the relevant discipline in which for which he is applying, he will be given a relaxation of 5 years more. Then various kind of allowance will be provided by the company which is mentioned over here. You can read it thoroughly in the notification. Link of the same I will provide in description box. Now friends, as you can see, uh, post-wise reservation, the scientific assistant will be required mainly into 4 domains: electronics and communication or instrumentation, electrical, mechanical, chemical. Each of these posts is having 6 number of vacancies. Then junior artisan will also be required into 4 domains: electronics and communication or instrumentation, electrical, fitter, chemical plant. Each of the domain is having certain amount of post which is mentioned here. An office assistant on contract will be uh, having one number of posts. So in total 111 vacancies has been released. Now talking about qualification and experience, then the candidate who is applying for scientific assistant must have first class diploma in electrical, electronics or electronics and communication, or the fields or discipline which has been mentioned in notification. Then for chemical discipline, a candidate must possess first class BSc degree with chemistry from any recognized institute, university, and candidate with combination of MPC or PCM. Then first, or the candidate must have first class 3-year diploma course after SSC, or 2 years diploma course after full time HSC 12th, along with first class vocational course of 2 years from government approved polytechnic institute in chemical discipline. Now experience for both these discipline must be having minimum 2 years of post qualification in the discipline which has been notification which is mentioned over here. Then for second post, that is for junior artisan, a candidate is eligible to apply for this post, must have ITI certificate of 2 years in the trade of electrical electronics or power electronics or industrial electronics or instrumentation or process instrumentation or mechanical, fitter or diesel mechanic, any one of them. Then for second, that is for chemical plant operator, a candidate must have 60% marks in aggregate in HSC 12th with PCM as the subject combination, or minimum 60% marks in SSC with the science mathematics along with trade certificate of not less than 1 year duration in chemical plant operation, or the candidate should have passed ITI attendant operator chemical plant, NCTVT in chemical plant operation. Okay. Then experience for both this discipline is like minimum 2 years of post qualification experience in the field of operation and maintenance of substation, uh, or the discipline or the process, you can say, which are mentioned in notification. And for office assistant, a candidate should have passed BSc, BA or BCom degree from any recognized institute, university with minimum 2 years of post qualification experience in the field of office upkeeping, security regulation, and handling of manpower entry and exit at workplace. Preference shall be given to the candidate with a more relevant experience. Then selection method will be totally based on merit. The candidates will have to qualify the written test, which will be followed by a trade test. The weightage of written test will be 40%, and that of trade test will be 60%. Based on that, will be prepared, and uh, respectively, the candidate will be allotted their position. For written test, a candidate must have proof ID, like of the ID cards, which is issued by government for attending the written test. Then a writing pad for written test, and the candidates who are shortlisted for written test will only be called for trade test. Now remember, this trade test will be held immediately after your written test or the next day, and the venue will be conveyed to you after the written test itself. After selection of candidates, document verification will be done, and various kinds of documentation will be required, which are mentioned over here in the notification. Now remember, you have to bring all these document, and one set of uh, print you must have of this document, which would be self attested by you. Then trade test, the date and time of the trade test will be communicated at the written test venue itself, which we have discussed earlier. Then the eligible candidate have to download the application form. The website is given in the notification. You can see www.ecil.co.in. You have to download this application form and have to fill it, uh, and you have to uh, paste the passport size color photograph with blue background. Remember, the background of the passport size photo should be blue only, and the entire selection process will be likely took place in within 2 to 3 days. Accordingly, outstation candidates may require to make their own arrangement to stay at Mysore. Now, the selection date for respective post is given. For junior artisan, the selection date would be 17. For office assistant and scientific assistant, the selection date would be 18th. Then walk-in venue is mentioned. You have to be present along with your documentation and application form at this venue. And during this process, no any TA or DA will be provided by the company. Now friends, you can see the application form will look like this. You have to fill the application form. Firstly, you have to fill the advertisement number, name of post, and place of posting. The advertisement number you will find on the page upper, on the fifth page number, that is advertisement number 17/2021. Okay, then you have to fill applicant name in capital letters, mother's name, father's name, your date of birth and age. You have to paste your photograph here, which should be blue in background. Then your gender, category, then nationality, religion. In case of ex-serviceman or PW, you have to mention here. Then contact number, email ID, and address. Then you have to fill your qualification detail. In case of BTech, BSc, BCom here in first row. Then 12th ITI or diploma, then SSC. And in case you are having experience, you have to fill over here. And in case you are having reference, professional reference, you have to mention it over here. After signing the declaration form, you just have to be present at the venue along with the application form and all the documents, original plus a print copy of all those documents which has been mentioned in notification form, and that should be attested, self attested.